Okay, so let's look at a rolling entry to the back from mount. If you just turn around the other way, bro. So we're gonna bait Dane, head facing that way. Bait Dane into going for elbow knee on me from the mount position. How can I do that? If you could just turn this fingers. Say I'm playing the game, I can like curl my right heel up. The minute he just goes straight into the elbow knee, perfect. Or the beginnings of it. So the minute he's got me in quarter guard and he'd probably be pinching from that position, I have a hand either side of his head. I'm just gonna turn around and back step with my leg. Gonna make a triangle here. And now I'm looking for that far leg, and then I just push with my feet, bypassing the truck, hip escaping out. So when we go from the truck to the back, I need to be controlling the near side hip with my left hand, because if I don't, Dane's just coming to his knees from that position and I've lost it. So left hand controls the hip and right hand drapes over the shoulder. He tries to go to his knees from now, and now I plant my left foot on the mat. Now I need alignment. So if I've still got the twister hook in, you just take it out to leave a hook, and then I butt scoop, and now we have alignment. Let's get another angle on that one, bro. So your head's facing that way. So we're in the mount. I can bait him into by just lifting that foot. The minute he snags it in quarter guard, okay, all I'm doing is turning, and if he's wedging really tight, I want to curl my instep to the outside of his shin. Even if I do that and I have connection, I can actually hit the roll without even making the triangle, if that makes sense. If I have connection. Danaher locks the triangle. He locks the triangle and puts that lockdown on before he does it. So we're here, he gets my hand on the mat, I bait him into going for elbow knee and he's pinching, so I'm just back stepping. So maybe there's space here and I couldn't connect my instep to his shin, so it would be risky to roll without locking the triangle because I have no connection. And then from there I want to find that foot, roll over the shoulder, and from here I have alignment. One more, facing the radiator. Let's go towards me, bro. So we're here, I bait him into going for the position, and then I just back step, make the triangle, control the leg, roll. We're on the back. Same sort of principles from half guard. Facing that way, bro, perfect. So I'm in the half guard and Jane's playing a knee shield. And again, he's making his frames. I'm putting pressure on him. To collapse the frames, I need to cut an angle. So I'm just going to turn my body and drop a reverse crossface and drop onto my hip. More than likely, stand this way. He's going to keep his legs triangled above my knee. So I just go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, and I start to flatten him out. He wants to be on his side to play half guard. I want him flatten his back. So heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, flatten him out. And then I can use my elbow on the inside to free my knee. Now, more than likely, he's going to push on my knee with his hand, which will give me the underhook. Head comes to the other side. Tripod up, and I'll hit the pass, but sometimes they don't, and when I go heel toe and I free this, when I try to mount from here, more than likely Dane has now me in quarter guard. Okay, so it's the same concept. I just move my head around. If I've got connection, I can use my instep or make the triangle, find that leg, roll over, and we're on the back. Just one more on that, bro. Head facing the mirrors. That's what we do with our feet. So from half guard, knee shield half guard, we're here. Perfect. I put weight in him. Notice the way Dane is a profile, whereby his knee shield is in front of my chest. The minute I put my elbow on the far side of his head and turn my body sideways, I've taking away that profile. More than likely he's going to triangle above my knee. Now as I flatten him out, I go heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Use my elbow to free my knee, and as I try to mount, Dane pinches. He's about to initiate the elbow knee escape. I'm turning around, making the triangle. And now controlling the hip, controlling the shoulder, on the back. So that's rolling entry from mount and from half guard top.